The Ridstar two-seater electric bike for adults is a remarkable innovation in the realm of electric transportation, blending convenience, performance, and comfort for a seamless riding experience. With its robust specifications and thoughtful design, this electric bike is tailored for urban commuters, leisure riders, and adventure enthusiasts alike. Design and build quality. The Ridstar electric bike boasts a sturdy construction that feels durable and dependable. The frame is made from high-quality aluminum, which ensures it is both lightweight and resilient. The aesthetics are sleek and modern, with a glossy finish that gives it an eye-catching appeal. The bike is available in several colors, allowing potential buyers to choose one that suits their style. One of the standout features is the innovative two-seater design, which is surprisingly spacious. This bike is perfect for couples or for those who want to take a friend along on their rides. The seats are padded and comfortable, making longer journeys enjoyable. The bike also comes with a rear rack that can hold additional cargo, perfect for picnics, shopping trips, or even commuting with a backpack. Performance. Equipped with a powerful 1500W motor, with a variant at 1000W, the Ridstar electric bike delivers impressive acceleration and speed. It can reach up to 30 miles per hour, making it not only suitable for relaxed rides but also capable of handling commuting on busy roads. The bike's varying power settings allow riders to choose between different levels of assistance, catering to both leisurely rides and more vigorous journeys. The hill climbing ability is exceptional, which is a significant advantage for those living in hilly areas. The bike is powered by a 48V 15AH removable battery, providing a range of approximately 30 to 70 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like terrain and riding style. This flexibility means that it can easily handle daily commutes or longer weekend rides without the anxiety of running out of power. The battery can be conveniently detached for charging, allowing users to charge it indoors or elsewhere, which is a thoughtful feature for urban dwellers. Comfort and ride quality. Riding the Ridstar is a pleasure, thanks to its ergonomic design. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow users to find their perfect riding position. The bike is equipped with a suspension system that absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride over rough terrain and potholes. Whether commuting on city streets or traversing gravel paths, the handling remains stable and responsive, instilling confidence in the rider. The bike's 20-inch tires contribute to a comfortable and stable ride, providing excellent grip and traction. The disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, a crucial feature for any electric bike that promises speed. The inclusion of front and rear lights enhances safety, making it easier for riders to be seen during early morning or evening rides. Tech features. The Ridstar electric bike does not fall short in the tech department. It features an easy-to-read LCD display that provides crucial information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assist mode. This intuitive interface allows riders to monitor their performance and adjust their riding style accordingly. Additionally, the bike includes a horn and a bell, which are practical safety features that come in handy while riding in traffic. Final thoughts. Overall, the Ridstar two-seater electric bike for adults is a commendable option for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish means of transportation. Its combination of power, comfort, and functionality makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from casual riders to those needing a practical commuting solution. The bike's ability to accommodate two passengers adds an element of fun and social interaction to the riding experience. While the price point may be higher than some standard electric bikes, the quality and features justify the investment. The removable battery is a game-changer for those who prioritize convenience, and the performance aspect of the bike is genuinely impressive. In conclusion, the Ridstar two-seater electric bike for adults represents a significant step forward in electric biking technology. Whether you're navigating through urban environments or looking to enjoy leisurely rides,